It's here somewhere. I know it's here somewhere. It's either cycle time or processing time. I don't know what's happening here. Successful project management. Must be in here. The importance of estimation. Somewhere in here it says about estimation. Oh, good grief. I didn't know anybody was here. I haven't got time to speak to you now. I've realised that we must estimate all work. If we don't estimate everything, bugs, defects, I don't know, technical spikes, research and development, as well as new value, then all of this stuff is pointless. Join me in a few days when I've figured this out and I'll explain to you why estimating is so important. I got to get back to this. I'm sorry. It's in here somewhere. Time, is it time? Is it points? Why should we estimate? Does it really matter? I don't know. We'll figure this out later.